Welcome, my children. Let's come to the topic trigonometry. Okay? Trigonometry. This is a term and that branch of mathematics which deals with the triangles and its angles. Okay? So, a triangle has three angles. Okay, from this is a combination of two Greek words, and one is trigonon, okay, another one metron. Okay, trigonon and metron. The metron means to measure, okay, and trigonon means three angle of triangle. Okay, so this is two Greek words come from two Greek word. One is trigonon and another one metron. So trigonon means three angle of triangle and metron means to measure. So this is a very important branch of mathematics which deals with several concepts and several formulas also. Its application. What are the applications? To measure height and distance. So trigonometry should be used in two-dimensional geometry and three-dimensional geometry to solve various problems. It's also used in calculus. It's also used in various field of vector algebra. Okay, and in the concept of physics and chemistry. Okay, so let us learn what are the functions that deals with the trigonometry. And one is sine function. Its short form is sine. Cosine, its short form is cos. Tangent, so this is tan. Cotangent, that is cot. Secant, that is sec. Cosecant, that is cosec. Okay, these are the functions of trigonometry. These six functions: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, and cosec. These are the six functions. So how it represent? Okay. So look at this. Today I concentrate about a rule, that is ASTC rule. You may read it as all sine, tan, cos, add sugar to coffee, all school to college. In coding you should remember this. When first quadrant for A, second quadrant for S, third quadrant for T, and fourth quadrant for C. So first quadrant varies 0 to 90, 90 to 180, okay, 180 to 270, third quadrant, again 360. This is a circular system, so you may write here 360. Okay. In first quadrant, all the trigonometry function means sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot are positive. In this second quadrant, S for sine is positive, as sine is positive, cosec is also positive. In third quadrant means 180 degree to 270 degree, tan is positive. So ultimately cot is positive because cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, it is also positive. In the fourth quadrant, that is 270 to 360 degree, cos is positive. Cos positive matlab sec is also positive because sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Okay, this is a very important rule, ASTC rule, in which quadrant which trigonometric functions are positive and which trigonometric functions are negative. In class 11, it is very important for you to know the quadrant and is positive or negative. Sign of the quadrant or according to the trigonometric function which lies in that quadrant is either positive or negative. Okay, my dear students, can you able to understand what is the ASTC rule? Okay, thank you. Thank you.